Hello everyone, this is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome to my class on MS Excel. In this class, we'll discuss how you can do password protection by using Excel VBA codes. So I have already discussed how you can open MS Excel workbook. You can do right click with your mouse, then new, you'll find Excel template, or you can press window R. In that you can write Excel. If you do just press enter, you can open MS Excel workbook. Once the MS Excel workbook is opened, if I open this workbook, okay, here it is asking me the password. I just pressed my password. The moment I press my password, here it's showing me the message. Welcome everyone to MS Excel tutorials. So if you want something like this kind of setup, okay, how you can do that? It's very easy. You go to Notepad. In Notepad, this is the code what you need to do. You just copy this code, okay? So just copy this code. Go to Developer, Visual Basic. Shortcut key is Alt F11. Okay, you can press Alt F11. You can go inside that, and then in alt F, once you are into the Visual Basic, click on this workbook. Okay, here you can click on this workbook and just copy and paste your command here. Once this is done, you can press F5. You can close your workbook. Okay, you press Alt Q, Control S. Okay, you save this workbook. You can close this workbook by using Alt F4. If you press Alt F4, you can close this workbook. Then when you open this workbook again, it will ask you the password, and then the same dialog box will appear. I hope you found this session interesting. Thank you everyone. Take care. God bless you. Bye.